waste no time. Cause part of this lack of composure, exactly what my life ordered. A lover and a friend.
Real time.
Riding on the same page, walking at the same pace, wondering how my life got here, but you're here now. Yeah. Pedal down the same street, wave at people we see, yeah. Talking out loud of last week's ups and this week's doubts. Love was inconceivable, but since I met you head to toe, I don't wanna waste no time. So pardon this lack of composure, exactly what my life ordered. A lover and a friend. Look, can we just skip goodbye? No need to text, wanna roll over, cause you're already here closer. A lover and a friend. Let the credits roll in. It's like I finally see all the pieces in the puzzles and the meant to be's, yeah, yeah. Kinda figured it out, like the sun got its place with the rain and the clouds, yeah. If I could go back, tell myself alright, she was the wrong thing, you're gonna be fine, yeah. It's all just living, and now I don't wanna waste no time. So part of this lack of composure, exactly what my life ordered. A lover and a friend. Can we just skip goodbye? No need to text, wanna roll over, cause you're already here closer. A lover and a friend. Let the credits roll in. My darling, my baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna waste no time. My darling, my baby.
Tonight's dinner, pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce. This is a first for me, but saw it at the store, sounded appetizing, so we'll see how it goes. Basically just boil water, put it in the water for 6 minutes, and then it's supposed to be done. You can technically eat it just like that out of the package too, so there's nothing that really needs to be cooked in there, but probably get flack for this, but just a little fire starter makes it easy. Interesting. Definitely gonna have the second one that came with it. The dough is super soft. It's alright. Can't complain. welding glove. Best thing I've bought in a while. So I had a friend from work ask me recently, before this trip, why do I go camping so often? What do I get out of it, basically? Because I went camping the weekend before this, over the Labor Day holiday weekend. Going camping this weekend, obviously. Probably going to go camping next weekend. So I thought it was an interesting question. I thought it was a fair question because for me, I try to go camping as often as I can. Probably every other weekend. During the summer and fall. So what do I get out of camping? There's a couple things I said, exploring new areas. I like driving a lot. I'm kind of weird. I don't have problems with going on long drives. Despite that, this spot's only like an hour and a half from where I live, but I love driving down and just doing off-road trails and finding new spots to camp at, new views, new sights to see, basically is what I said. And beyond that, for me, it's a lot of time just the solitude of it. Most of the time I'm just going by myself. Last weekend I went with a friend, but most of the time when I'm camping, it's on my own. So for me, solitude of it, just enjoying the time on my own, out of my normal element, out of the day-to-day. I work in IT, so I'm sitting at a desk 8 hours a day, and then beyond that, maybe watching a movie after work and just sitting on the couch. So for me, I like getting out, exploring, doing hikes from time to time, did some fishing last weekend, and just doing stuff like this, sitting at a campfire, enjoying the silence of the outdoors, the stars at night, which you just can't beat the outdoors, where there's no there's no human provided light, no street lamps, none of that interfering with your ability to see the night sky. So that's obviously something that you can't get when you're in the city. It's mostly just getting away from the normal day-to-day grind, if you will, and routine, and just doing something different, really. For me, it helps to kind of just reset and just take a break from life, essentially. And I'm not doing any sort of long expeditions or anything. Most of the time I'm just camping on the weekend and just doing a couple days or even just one night. So I don't know. It's just something I can't ever get enough of. During the week, I'm always, yearning to get out and explore, and I really just can't speak enough about how much I enjoy this, and can't recommend it enough. Especially going in the type of spots I go to, they're significantly less crowded. There's nobody within, I don't know, probably a mile or two, or maybe more of me. Nobody else around. I'm not doing campgrounds or anything like that, where you have maybe people making noise and taking away from the experience, I guess, or at least for me, because again, I like the solitude of it, so kind of getting away from people is also part of what I enjoy about it.